They're gonna make this song into a movie. It's called The Nurse Patient. Starring Peter O'Toole in the role of the curmudgeonly lighthouse keeper, and Jodie Foster in the role of Susan.
I had this dream where I relished the fray, and the screaming filled my head all day. It was as though I'd been spit here, settled into the pocket of a lighthouse on some rocky socket off the coast of France.